In today's fast-paced digital landscape, content creation has become a crucial aspect of any successful marketing strategy. However, the time and resources required to produce high-quality videos can be daunting, often leaving creators feeling overwhelmed. Fortunately, the rise of AI-powered video generators has revolutionized the way we approach video production, offering a more efficient and cost-effective solution. After months of extensive testing and research, I've uncovered the absolute best AI video generators on the market, each with its own unique strengths and capabilities. In this comprehensive guide, I'll break down the pros and cons of these powerful tools, providing you with the insights you need to choose the right one for your specific needs. The versatile and user-friendly Runway. One of the standout AI video generators I've had the pleasure of testing is Runway. This platform has been a favorite among creators for its incredible versatility, allowing users to not only generate videos but also perform a wide range of video editing tasks, such as in painting and lip-syncing. Runway's strengths. Speed. Runway's AI-powered video generation is remarkably fast, with the process taking only around 30 seconds to complete. Versatility. In addition to video generation, Runway offers a suite of powerful tools for video editing, making it a one-stop shop for content creators. User-friendliness. The platform is incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced creators alike. Runway's limitations. Quality concerns. While the results from Runway are generally decent, the overall resolution and clarity can sometimes fall short compared to other AI video generators on the market. Character and camera physics. The platform's handling of complex movements, such as running or dancing, can occasionally appear unnatural or robotic. To showcase Runway's capabilities, I created a cityscape scene with the following prompt. Aerial view of a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars moving between skyscrapers, camera slowly pans across the skyline. The result was a visually striking scene, with the buildings and sunset colors looking impressive. However, the flying cars appeared slightly blurry, and the overall resolution could have been sharper. Sora by OpenAI, redefining realism. If you're seeking the pinnacle of realism in AI-generated video, look no further than Sora by OpenAI. This tool has truly blown me away with its ability to create incredibly lifelike footage from a simple text prompt. Sora's strengths. Unparalleled realism. Sora's video generations are nothing short of mind-blowing, with the lighting, physics, and camera movements all appearing completely photorealistic. High-quality output. The platform can generate videos up to 1080p resolution, and the results are consistently sharp and detailed. Storyboard feature. Sora's storyboard functionality allows users to keyframe their videos, giving them more control over the final output. Sora's limitations. Content moderation. The platform's strict content moderation policies can be frustrating, with some seemingly innocent prompts being rejected. Unexpected scene changes. Sora can sometimes unexpectedly alter the scene in ways that waste the user's generation credits. To test Sora's capabilities, I used the following prompt. A young hiker walks through a sunlit forest with rays of light filtering through the trees. The camera follows them from behind as they navigate over fallen logs and through ferns. The result was nothing short of breathtaking, with the lighting, textures, and character movements all appearing completely realistic, as if captured by a professional camera crew. Minimax, Hilo bringing energy and movement. Another AI video generator that has caught my attention is Minimax, also known as Hilo. This Chinese-based tool is particularly adept at adding a sense of energy and movement to its video generations, making it a great choice for creators looking to infuse their content with a dynamic, lively feel. Minimax's strengths. Energetic animations. Minimax's video generations are characterized by a high degree of movement and activity, which can be a valuable asset for certain types of content. Batch generation. The platform allows users to generate up to 3 video clips at a time, which can be a significant time saver. Minimax's limitations. Realism concerns. While the energy and movement in Minimax's videos are impressive, the overall realism and quality can sometimes fall short compared to newer AI video generators. Character movements. The platform's handling of human characters can be hit or miss, with some movements appearing unnatural or floating. Unwanted dialogue. Minimax's characters have a tendency to speak, even when the prompt does not call for it, which can be problematic for creators seeking a silent scene. To test Minimax's capabilities, I used the following prompt. A chef cooking in a busy restaurant kitchen, with flames rising from the pan as they flip ingredients. The resulting video was indeed full of energy and movement, with the chef's animated movements and the dynamic flames adding a sense of excitement to the scene. However, the human characters did not always appear entirely natural, and the overall resolution was not as sharp as I would have liked. Luma Dream Machine. Simplicity and speed. While the previous AI video generators I've discussed have focused on realism and dynamism, Luma Dream Machine offers a different approach, emphasizing simplicity and speed in its video generations. Luma's strengths. Ease of use. Luma's user interface is incredibly intuitive, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those seeking a straightforward video generation experience. Rapid generation. The platform's AI-powered video generation is remarkably fast, with the process taking only around 20 seconds to complete. First and last frame feature. Luma's ability to generate the first and last frames of a video can be useful for certain types of animation projects. Luma's limitations. Realism concerns. While Luma's video generations have a unique, dreamlike quality, the overall realism and quality often fall short compared to newer AI video generators. Slow motion bias. Luma's video generations tend to have a slow motion aesthetic, which may not be suitable for all types of content. Lower resolution. The platform's video output is generally lower in resolution, requiring users to upscale and sharpen the results. To test Luma's capabilities, I used the following prompt. A cat playing with a ball of yarn on a wooden floor, with sunlight streaming through a window. The resulting video had a beautiful, warm glow and a dreamlike quality, but the cat's movements appeared unnatural and slow, and the overall resolution was not as sharp as I would have liked. Cling. Cinematic aesthetics and emotional expressions. One of the most impressive AI video generators I've had the pleasure of testing is Cling, a Chinese-based platform that offers a truly unique set of features and capabilities. Cling's strengths. Cinematic aesthetics. Cling's video generations are characterized by a stunning cinematic quality, with smooth camera movements and detailed, emotionally expressive characters. Negative prompting. The platform's negative prompting feature allows users to specify what they don't want in their video generations, helping to avoid common AI-related issues. Face training. Cling's ability to train models on specific faces gives creators more control over the characters that appear in their videos. Elements feature. Cling's revolutionary Elements feature enables users to create videos with multiple consistent characters, clothing, objects, and environments, allowing for the creation of cohesive narratives across multiple scenes. Cling's limitations. Steep learning curve. Cling's extensive feature set and customization options can be overwhelming for beginners, requiring a more significant investment of time and effort to master. Inconsistent results. While Cling's video generations can be stunning, the platform's results can sometimes be inconsistent, with similar prompts yielding vastly different outcomes. Character limitations. The Elements feature works best with up to 2 consistent characters, as adding a third character can lead to mixing and confusion between the different elements. To showcase Cling's capabilities, I used the following prompt. A detective examining evidence at a crime scene using a magnifying glass, the camera slowly zooms in on their concentrated face. The resulting video was incredibly cinematic, with the detective's facial expressions and the smooth camera movement adding a sense of tension and drama to the scene. I also had the opportunity to test Cling's revolutionary Elements feature, which allowed me to create an entire office tour with 2 consistent characters, maintaining their appearances and clothing across multiple scenes. The level of cohesion and consistency achieved with this feature is truly remarkable and sets Cling apart from other AI video generators on the market. Choosing the right AI video generator for your needs. As you can see, each of the AI video generators I've discussed offers a unique set of strengths and capabilities, making them suitable for different types of content and creative needs. When choosing the right tool for your project, it's essential to consider the following factors. Video quality and realism. If your primary goal is to create highly realistic, cinematic quality video content, tools like Sora and Kling may be the best fit. These platforms excel at generating footage that appears almost indistinguishable from professionally shot video. Ease of use and productivity. For creators who value simplicity and speed, platforms like Runway and Lumadream Machine may be the way to go. These tools offer a more straightforward user experience, allowing you to generate video content quickly and efficiently. Specialized features and customization. If you require more advanced features, such as Kling's Elements functionality or Sora's storyboard capabilities, you may need to invest more time in learning the platform's intricacies. These tools offer a higher degree of control and customization, but they also come with a steeper learning curve. Budget and pricing. Finally, it's essential to consider your budget and the pricing structure of each AI video generator. While some platforms offer free trials or credits, others may require a more significant financial investment. Carefully evaluate the cost-benefit analysis to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Regardless of which AI video generator you choose, the key is to experiment and find the tool that best aligns with your specific content creation needs. By leveraging these powerful AI-powered tools, you can unlock new levels of efficiency, creativity, and quality in your video production process.